You've decided to self-isolate at sea. You got yourself a snazzy little sailboat, and you sitting on that thing thinking about your life. What am I going to do once this quarantine is over? Is it ever going to end? Would the Raptors have gone back-to-back this year? When is the mall going to open back up? You know, the important things. You look up in the sky and you see a bird. Wait, it's a plane. Wait, I'm tripping hecka hard. It's definitely a bird. You're on a boat and you're getting hungry. You whip out that handy-dandy fishing rod and cast yourself a line. You sitting here chilling at sea waiting to grab a bite, and you start hearing a familiar tune.
Doesn't look like any carnival I ever... Oh, excuse me.
It seems you've stumbled across Bikini Bottom, and directly beneath you is a pineapple. A pineapple under the sea. Alright, so boom. But which of these two are closer to you? A bird that's 1,277 meters above sea level, or SpongeBob's crib, which is negative 969 meters below sea level? Find out at the end of this video.
It's the Black-Matician.
That's me!
Greetings, mathematicians, and welcome to the very first lesson from the Black-Matician, a solution to your math problem provided by somebody that looks like you, talks like you, and in the future could probably be you. I'm Gray, and by the end of this video, you're going to be able to understand and solve absolute value. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe, and then go. At the very beginning of this video, we talked about how I was either closer to a bird or closer to Bikini Bottom at SpongeBob's house. So here's your question one more time. If the bird is 1,277 meters above sea level and the pineapple under the sea is at negative 969 meters below sea level, which one is closer? First, we're going to do the absolute value of 1,277. Well, that's going to be a positive 1,277. Then let's look at the absolute value of negative 969. That's going to be a positive 969. I would say that 969 is a lot closer. Therefore, you are going to have to eat SpongeBob for lunch.
Doesn't look too good, Patrick.
You mean we're not gonna get the crown, save the town, and Mr. Krabs?
I don't even think we're gonna be able to save ourselves, buddy.
Unless you want to fly on a jetpack to grab that bird. Now, hopefully you understand all about absolute value and how to use it. Oh, you didn't. If you just hit rewind and watch this video again and again and again, I'm sure by then you'll be able to figure out how to do absolute value. And if you can't do it after that, well shoot, I don't know what to tell you. Well, that about sums it up here at Black-Matician headquarters. If you like what you've seen or heard, please give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, you're not hurting my feelings, subscribe, and ring my bell so you can get my next lesson. Coronavirus got you sitting on the couch watching TV and your life's passing you on by. You're thinking, well, maybe I'll go to school next year, or maybe next semester. No, do it right now. I'll work with you whenever you want. You can watch me before you turn on the PlayStation and after you turn on the PlayStation. Whatever you need to do to graduate, go subscribe right now. I'm out here to help you. You spend all day on your phone anyway, might as well subscribe to a channel that's gonna help you in your future. All you gotta do is pick up the phone and subscribe. Why are you making this so complicated? It's easy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna subscribe to my own channel right now.